Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we'll be doing a speed test comparison between three versions of Oxygen OS running on Oneplus 3, and similar results can be expected on Oneplus 3T also. So here we have device running Android Nougat, Android Oreo and Android Pie. During this test, Wi-Fi connection was same and no apps were running in the background. There might be a little bit of difference in my speed for opening applications, as humans can't be 100% accurate. We also have few bunch of applications along with 3 games, in which 2 are basic like Subway Surfer and Temple Run 2. Another one is a heavy game which is PUBG. I'll also be showing you the benchmark results with Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. After the first round, Android Nougat took 2 minutes 33 seconds, Android Oreo took 3 minutes 11 seconds, Android Pie took 2 minutes 57 seconds. Now let's check the memory management and see the total time taken by all 3 versions of Oxygen OS. And here total time taken by Nougat, that is 3 minutes 5 seconds. Total time taken by Oreo 3 minutes 37 seconds, and the last one, which is Android Pie, which takes 3 minutes 40 seconds. So with this speed test, Nougat takes a lead, followed by Android Oreo, and the last one is Android Pie. Android Nougat is a clear winner in terms of app opening. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results with Geekbench application on all 3 versions. Here Android Oreo takes a lead, followed by Android Nougat, and the last one is Android Pie. And with Antutu benchmark application, Android Nougat takes the lead with a huge difference, and the scores are 1,59,746, followed by Android Oreo, and the last one is Android Pie, wherein scores are 1,36,557. So guys, this was a speed test between Android 7, Android 8 and Android 9 running on Oneplus 3. In my opinion, Android Nougat performs better in all aspects, but what do you guys think? Do let me know in the comment section below. And we'll also do a battery drain test when we have OTA available for Android Pie. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video then do give me a thumbs up, and also if you are new to my channel then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.